What you doing? Welcome to my humble home. It's very small. We only have one sitting room, one recreation room, and one big kitchen. Come and meet my lovely daughters, Abigail, my first daughter, she's not very tall and she loves to eat.
Hello everyone. My name is Abigail. My favorite pastime is to cook.
My second daughter, Barbara. She's very tall, she's beautiful, and she's very good in mathematics.
How dare you touch my teeth?
Barbara, dear, we have guests.
Oh,
And then there's my third daughter, Cordelia. She's a bit plain. Cordelia! There you are. Ayo, so dirty, why can't you be like your sisters? Ayo. Come and greet our guest.
Hi everyone, my name is Cordelia. I can't cook nor sew, but I love flowers and animals.
Ayo. Well, daughters, do you love mother?
oh, mother, I love you so much. I love you more than I love kway chang. And you know how much I love kway chang? Oh, yes, mother, I love you all more than all my jewelry combined.
What about you, Cordelia?
Well, mother, I love you no more, no less than a daughter or son should.
Mrs. Elizabeth Neo often threw big lavish parties to show off her wealth. At these parties, there were important people and mostly millionaires. The ambassador of Italy came.
Ciao, Mrs. Neo. So nice to see you. Mamma mia! You are looking most beautiful tonight. Thank you for inviting me to your famous party. Just when I think the party is over, you bring out the big surprise. The bird is beautiful. You must tell me where to get one.
No lah, I will get you one in time for your birthday.
Grazie, grazie, Mrs. Neo. I had a wonderful, wonderful evening.
Abigail, Barbara, do you know what bird that is in the garden that the guests are complimenting me for? There is that sound. What a lovely sound. Girls, I want the two of you to go and catch the bird for me.
Us?
How? I don't care. Just go and get the bird for me.
Abigail, do you see the bird?
I think I saw a bird, you know.
A bird?
Over there.
It's the nightingale!
Get it!
That way! That way! No!
Look, the bird!
It's attacking me!
The bird so high! Give me the bird!
Just close your eyes.
Okay lah.
No peeping. Ta-da!
You caught the nightingale for me.
Yes.
Thank you, sayang.
Yes, mother. This is to show you how much I love you.
You know, I went to Switzerland and I came back because I know it's your big day. So I got you a big present.
Really? What is that?
Hold on, Ta-da!
Wow, so beautiful but what is this?
This is your very own mechanical nightingale. You can listen to it as and when you want to, mother.
So marvelous,
Mother. So, who is your favorite daughter now?
Of course it's you. Abigail! Barbara! A mechanical but not working. Can you help me to fix it?
Mother! Do you expect us to send the bird all the way back to Switzerland and fix it for you? Do you know how expensive that is?
What? You're not gonna fix it for me?
Anyway, the bird is still very beautiful. You can look at it and sing to yourself. What are we going to do? Our money is running out so fast.
I think mother is taking up too much of our money.
I agree. What with her medicine and doctor's fees?
And clothing and housing.
Abigail! I have an idea. Barbara! Abigail! Barbara! Sorry.
Mother?
What?
Mother, where are you going, Mother?
I'm too ashamed to face you now.
No, Mother. I said it before. I love you no more, no less than a daughter or son should. Please, come home with me.
What does that mean?
It means that even if you're very sick and you've become very old, I will still take care of you because you are my mother and I am your daughter. And that means I love you very, very much, Mother.
Oh, Cordelia.